Jai Srimannarayana. 14th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Annad bhavanti bhutani parjanyat annasambhavaha yajñād bhavati parjanyaha yajñah karma samudbhavaha. Om. You are playing a role in the program which is set by Srimannarayana. That role is to make sure all your actions are transformed as service to Srimannarayana, and once in a while perform Vedic yajñas, which will bring the rain, rain brings the food, food brings the nourishment to all the entities. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that everyone should surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall try to play my role as it is described in the scriptures. I shall make sure all my actions are transformed as service to Srimannarayana. I shall perform Vedic yajñas once in a while. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Bhagiratha has taken Ganga Devi to the place where his ancestors are in the form of ashes. Radhena Vayu Vegena Prayantam Anudhavati." When Bhagiratha was going in his chariot with high velocity, Ganga Devi followed him, and on her way she sanctified so many places and finally wetted down those ashes of Sagara's sons. The moment Ganga Nadi touched those ashes, यज्जलस्पर्शमात्रेण सगरात्मजा दिवं जग्मुः केवलं देहभस्मभिः. The moment Ganga river, Ganga water touched those ashes, all those sons of Sagara attained moksham, attained heaven. Those Sagara sons have done something wrong towards such a great enlightened person, yet they were sanctified by Ganga water. That means if we, with our own bodies, if we touch Ganga Devi, if we do offer our oblations to Ganga Devi, there is no doubt in for all of us attaining moksham. Nahi etat paramaschariyam svardhunyaha yadi hoditam anantacharanambhoja prasutaya bhavachhidaha. Ganga Devi came out from Sakshat Sriman Narayana's divine feet. That is why it has an efficiency in removing all kind of bondage of human. Because the Ganga Jalam came out of the divine feet of Sri Hari, Sriman Narayana, by touching this Ganga Jalam, by offering our oblations to Ganga Jalam, we will definitely be able to come out of all the bondage, karma bondage, and we will be able to focus our attention towards Sriman Narayana's divine feet, and we attain Sri Vaikuntham. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 14th sloka. Annad bhavanti bhutani पर्जन्यादन्न संभवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यादन्न संभवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.